G'day, welcome to this week's Flashback. So it's David from Be Skill Be Fit. We're going to have a walk through what we've done this week on all the videos. Hope you're enjoying being back at school with your teachers and all of your friends. So just before we get started with what we have been doing this week in the videos, we want to announce the name of our character. So firstly, thanks very much for all the people that have sent us back name suggestions. That was really cool. We got some really funny ones. We've spoken to all the guys in the team, and the name that we have selected is Fitz, which has come from a school at Escol Park. So we'll be getting a prize out to them. So thanks very much, but this is now Fitz. And at the end of today's video, I'm going to announce what we're going to do with him next week, which will be really fun and really cool for you to be able to join in with. So this week on Monday for our masterclass, we did our footy passing. So right side and also left side. How did you go with the footy? Remember, you could use a recycle bottle, you could use socks, you could use a footy if you had one. So any of those things to practice. Remember our key points that we want to look, step with our toe, and our hands finish pointing to our target. So let's have a look and a reminder of our key points for our right hand. And then remember, in a game, you've got to be able to pass both ways, so you need to practice passing the other way as well. So if you're right-handed and you're really confident passing right to left, make sure you practice the other way, going left to right. It's all exactly the same, just takes a little bit more practice to get used to it. Remember, when you're running, carry it with both hands so you can pass either way and people don't know which way you're going to pass. So let's just have a look at those key points going from our left side. And then remember, you can pass at a target that you can set up, or if you've got a friend or you've got a family or someone like that at home that you can practice, you can try running and passing between each other, increase the distances and all that sort of stuff. Alright, for our card trick, how did you go? Did you work that out? I'm still scratching my head. Pretty fun, pretty cool trick to do with all of your family. So keep practicing your card tricks. It's really cool. Get smooth with your hands, your dealing, your shuffling, all of that. Just a really good brain break for you to be able to get away from your studies sometime for a couple of minutes. So let's have a look at how the card trick went down.
To tell you what card this one is here. Now this card is the number 3. Did you get that right?
So it's like all of our skills. The more you practice them, the smoother you get and the easier that you can trick people. So keep practicing on your card tricks, the ones that we've done in previous weeks. Keep practicing those. With our nut stacker, with our nuts from our bolt, hopefully you could find something like that. Remember a pencil. If you went really well and you got it going really high with your right hand, maybe you could try with your left hand. If you're left-handed, try with your right hand. Try and use both hands, see if you can do as high with your left hand as your right hand and vice versa. So good practice with your fine motor skills. And maybe if you've got a garage full of lots of different stuff, you could try it with different size nuts as well and see how you go. Can you make it as high with little ones? Do you need bigger ones? And practice with that. But really good, another good brain break and good with your fine motor skills. Let's just have a look and a reminder as to how that went. Okay, then our team challenge this week was our passing the ball against the wall. So remember, we want to step, we want to push. So keep practicing all those skills from all of our masterclasses. Let's see how the guys went. Remember, it doesn't matter what size ball you've got, whether it's a basketball, a netball, a soccer ball, a tennis ball, a big fit ball, any of those things you will be able to use to keep practicing all your different skills. For our workout, how did you go with the workout? Was it tiring? Was it easy? Remember, you can adjust the timings, how much rest you have or how little rest you have, so that you can work at your rate, at your pace to increase your fitness level. Hopefully over the week so far you're starting to see that you're developing and building your fitness and building your strength. Remember some of those early challenges we did with our push-ups and our sit-ups and the burpees, etc. You could go back and revisit those challenges, see how you're going, and see if you're doing them easier now than what you did when you first did the challenge. That's also a really good guide to see if you're getting stronger and getting fitter. So let's just have a quick look at the workout. So remember, you can look back at those at any time, do previous ones, get your family to do them with you. Really great to stay fit, healthy and active. With our dance tutorial for this week, Treasure, let's have a look, let's check it out.
Girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, treasure, that is what you are, honey, you're my gold.
Yours truly made a guest appearance, doing my best. As you can see, need to practice. I need to keep practicing and get better and better with your dance moves. Now, for next week, really exciting, Fitz is going to be our headline act for our dance tutorial. So it's going to be really cool to see what Fitz can do. You guys are going to be able to join in and do the dance tutorial with Fitz, which will be fantastic. We'd love to hear how you go with that, but look forward to that because that will be a whole lot of fun. So thanks again for joining in this week with the videos. We hope you have a great weekend and we look forward to working with you again next week.